Have you ever built an application that's work perfectly on your laptop or system, but the moment you run it on another computer or server, everything breaks, missing libraries, wrong versions, and weird types of errors. So this is exactly the problem Docker solves. Welcome back to TryNext, the channel where we decode technology, cybersecurity, and programming in the most simple and practical way. So hi, this is Sanket here, and today I am going to explain Docker in the simplest possible way. So let's start the video. What is Docker? Docker is a platform that lets you package your application along with everything it needs. Your code, libraries, dependency, and environment inside a small and isolated box called a container. The container runs the same way on any computer, like Windows, Linux, Mac OS, cloud services, so your application always behave consistently no matter where you run it. Now imagine you cook food at home. If you give someone the raw material, they may not get the same taste because their kitchen setup is different. But if you pack the food in the tiffin box, no matter where the person eats, the taste will be the same. A Docker container is like that the tiffin box. It carries everything your application needs inside it, ensuring the consistent result everywhere. To understand how Docker actually works behind the scenes, you need to know these two core concepts. Everything in Docker revolves around these two things: Docker images and Docker container. Now we discuss about the Docker image. A Docker image is like a blueprint of your application. It contains the base operating system, required softwares, libraries, and dependency, your application code, and instruction on how to run the application. Images are read-only and act as a templates. From a single image, you can create hundreds of containers. Second core concept, Docker container. A Docker container is a live running instance of an image. It's a lightweight, isolated, and contains everything needed to execute your application. You can start, stop, delete, and replicate containers easily. They behave the same on every system because they carry the environment with same. So these are the two main core concepts of Docker: Docker image and Docker container. But why do we use Docker? We use Docker because it allows application to run consistently across all the environments by packaging the code, dependency, configuration inside a lightweight and isolated containers. Docker solves one of the most trending problem, work on my machine problem, and makes development, testing, and deployment much faster and more reliable. Docker containers start quickly, use very little memory, and are easy to scale, making them ideal for modern application, microservices, cloud deployment, and DevOps pipelines like CI/CD pipelines. In short, Docker simplifies workflows, improves efficiency, and ensures that software runs the same everywhere. Next question is, where is Docker used? Docker is used everywhere. Backend development, DevOps and CI/CD pipelines, machine learning module, cloud deployment, testing environments, microservices, and many more. It's one of the most important tools in the modern software development. So, this is Docker, a small concept with a huge impact. It's fast, simple, and helps developer avoid environment issues completely. If you want me to make next video on installing Docker, writing a Dockerfile, or running your first container, let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is TryNext. See you in next video.